Here, welcome to tonight's lightning ball draw. Today is going to be better than normal. First blowout, number 69. Second blowout, number 89. Third blowout, number 84. Fourth blowout, number 13. Fifth blowout, number 65. And the lightning ball is 83. Those numbers again in ascending order are 13, 65, 69, 84, or 89, and the lightning ball is 83. That was tonight's lightning ball draw. I'll see you all in a minute. Bye for now.